Hello, Mrs. Bass here with your instructions for today's activity. Today we are going to watch a video and we're going to answer some questions based on that video. And the first thing you have to do here is to report your attendance. This is your class plan. And you're going to report your attendance and then you're going to your warm-up, your actividad inicial. Says go to the photo. So this is one of the ways that I do the warm-ups. And when you click here, you are going to, he's going to take you to this discussion. In the discussion, you're going to click on reply and you're going to answer the question. That's all you have to do. Once you answer the question, you click post reply and then your comment is going to be there. So that'll be for your actividad inicial. That's one of the ways that we do warm-ups. Other times we're going to do it on the Canvas page, but this is for today. All right. And here you're going to find this video that I'm recording right now with the instructions on what to do. And for today's activity, it says, why study Spanish? We work on activity watching a video about the importance of learning a language. So here you're going to click for the activity. So you had to fill in here. Now notice that I give you points for you write in your name and that you write it correctly. Last name, first name, and then your grade. So you're gonna fill those fields and then you can click next. And then you start having the questions. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna play the video and you're going to answer the questions. Before you submit your answers, we're going to go over the answers together so we are sure that the answers are correct. Since this is a Google form that is going to grade your work, it is very important that we spell the words right, that we use the right punctuation, the right capitals, etc. So that's what I need to help you with. So we're going to go over the answers and be sure that we have the right answers and not to miss a point just because of a misspelling or something like that. All right, so sorry about that, battery was running low. So we're going to move with this. This is before you watch the video, you answer these questions. I'm just putting something there so I can show you the next section. And the next section, I added the videos. So here is the video to answer the questions. There are two parts to the video and then you're going to complete these answers right here. So please pay attention to the video, answer the questions, and then the second time that we watch the video, I'm going to help you with the answers. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be here to help you. I'll see you in class. Adios.